My name is Niamh Lynch and I'm a dairy advisor in Teagasc in Navan. And on this board we're going to look at feeding the young calf. So the most important thing, I suppose, when you're heading into the calving season is that all your calves will be born with basically no immunity. So the most important thing is to get good quality colostrum into them. So when we look at the whole colostrum thing, it's really the 3-2-1. It's getting 3 litres of colostrum in the first 2 hours into the calf in the first feed. So the other important thing is when you're getting colostrum out of your cows is to make sure the quality is good, and the one way of measuring that is with a refractometer and making sure that the quality is over 22%. So that's your first feed, and it's the most important thing in the whole calving season, and it'll set you up right in terms of the calves' immunity as they get older, and stops them getting sick. The other thing just to take note of is the recommendation is with feeding calves from then on is that calves should be fed at 15% of their body weight. So we'll take, for example, a 40 kilo calf. So it should be getting about 6 litres per day in 2 feeds. So as we move on then from when the calf is born, especially for people that are using Rotavirus vaccination, you should be on transition milk from day 2 to day 5 with 2.5 to 3 litres of milk for two feeds a day. So then, I suppose, from then on, from 6 to 10 days, you can either switch to milk replacer or keep on your whole milk. And the same thing, 3 litres of milk, 2 feeds a day. Again, the same thing from day 11 to 28. Once we pass 28 days, it is suitable to switch to once a day feeding on calves with milk replacer. But you can also use your whole milk and feed it twice a day. So just when we look over at the other side of the board here on the graph on the grams of powder per head per day, I suppose the recommendation really is that you can see at the 4 litres on the far side there, you're getting 400 grams of powder in, and that's taking maintenance, that's giving your calf the maintenance it needs, and 100 grams for growth. So really, when we look at it compared to the 6 litres, you're really not getting enough grams of powder in for the growth factor of the calf. So that's why the recommendation is 6 litres. So it's 400 grams for maintenance and 350 grams for growth. And finally, just to add in, from when your calves are born, they should have access to clean water and some sort of calf crunch.